Robin Rihanna Fenty, known professionally as Rihanna, is a Barbadian singer, actress, and entrepreneur who has become one of the most successful and influential women in the entertainment industry. Born on February 20, 1988, in St. Michael, Barbados, Rihanna grew up in a small house with her mother, father, and two younger brothers. She was discovered by American record producer Evan Rogers in Barbados, who helped her record a demo that eventually landed her a contract with Def Jam Recordings. Rihanna's debut single, Pon de Replay, was released in 2005 and became a huge success, reaching the top 5 in over 10 countries. Her debut album, Music of the Sun, followed soon after, and although it wasn't as successful as her subsequent releases, it helped establish her as a rising star. In 2007, Rihanna released her third album, Good Girl Gone Bad, which marked a major turning point in her career. The album spawned a number of hit singles, including Umbrella, which topped charts around the world and earned her a Grammy Award for Best Rap/Sung Collaboration. Over the years, Rihanna has released several more successful albums, including Rated R, Loud, Talk That Talk, Unapologetic, and Anti. She has also collaborated with many other artists, including Eminem, Drake, and Jay-Z. In addition to her music career, Rihanna has also pursued acting and has appeared in several films, including Battleship and Ocean's 8. She has also launched several successful business ventures, including a cosmetics line called Fenty Beauty and a lingerie line called Savage X Fenty. Throughout her career, Rihanna has won numerous awards and accolades, including 9 Grammy Awards, 13 American Music Awards, 12 Billboard Music Awards, and 8 People's Choice Awards. She has also been recognized for her philanthropic work, particularly her support of education and health care in impoverished communities. Despite her many achievements, Rihanna remains down-to-earth and committed to her fans. Her unique style and musical talents have made her an icon in the music industry, and she continues to inspire and empower people around the world. In addition to her successful music and business career, Rihanna is also known for her philanthropic work. She founded the Clara Lionel Foundation in honor of her grandparents, which supports and funds education and health programs around the world. In 2018, she was appointed as an Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary for Barbados, with a special focus on education, tourism, and investment in the country. Throughout her career, Rihanna has also been known for her activism and advocacy on social and political issues. She has been a vocal advocate for the Black Lives Matter movement, and has used her platform to raise awareness about police brutality and racial inequality. In 2020, Rihanna donated $5 million through her Clara Lionel Foundation to support coronavirus relief efforts in various countries, including the United States, Barbados, and Haiti. Despite taking a break from music to focus on her other ventures, Rihanna continues to remain a major influence in the entertainment industry and beyond. Her fashion, music, and philanthropy continue to inspire and empower people around the world.